Listen to this powerful love meditation that works immediately to make your person love you. You'll see how extremely powerful it is instantly. This meditation is designed to get the attention of that special person who you either secretly want to be yours or can be an ex-partner where sad events have separated the both of you. Now let's begin by visualizing your special person. See them right in front of you and they are smiling. They are so happy to see you. Feel the love in your heart you have for them. Now say out loud or in your mind, my love shall be you. Love is unfolding between us. Our hearts are bonding. Our love is unstoppable. Nothing shall ever impede our love. The universe supports us in this. No other person will be able to come between our love. No negativity can stop our love. Love is beautiful and my soul is beautiful. The one I love is beautiful in my heart. Love comes into my 3D reality. I deserve love. I deserve to be loved. I deserve an abundance of love. I deserve happiness. I deserve the life I wish to live. I deserve to hold joy in my heart. I am love. I live in their heart. I live in their soul. I am their happiness. They love me. We shall be, and you will love me for eternity. It is already done. Now you will be starting to experience a warm and beautiful, most special feeling inside of you. You'll find for this meditation to work best, you should repeat it in full for 3 days. So simply listen to this meditation tomorrow and the day after. And each day you repeat it, you'll feel more and more at peace. And after 3 days, you'll feel like the person you want is now actually a part of your life. Please comment a heart and let us know your experiences with this meditation. Visit the #1 resource for genuine and real spell work at joybyjanell.com because you deserve to have everything that you desire. And I promise, if you use me, you will enjoy the magic I perform. Bye, my loves, and I will see you in the next meditation.